Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to rename your PC in Windows easily. If you want a custom PC name instead of the default one, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Method 1, rename PC from Windows Settings. 1, press Win-I to open Settings. 2, click on System, then go to About. 3, under Device Specifications, click Rename this PC. 4, enter your new PC name and click Next. 5, restart your computer to apply the changes. Best 4, quick and easy renaming. Hash Method 2, rename PC using Control Panel. 1, press Win-R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter. 2, in the System Properties window, go to the Computer Name tab. 3, click Change, enter a new PC name and hit OK. 4, restart your computer when prompted. Best 4, users familiar with the classic Windows interface. Method 3, rename PC using Command Prompt. 1, open Command Prompt as Administrator, Win-X, Command Prompt Admin. 2, type the following command and press Enter. PowerShell WMIC computer system where name equals sent computer name sent, call rename name equals new PC name. Replace new PC name with your desired computer name. 3, restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Best 4, advanced users who prefer command line methods. Now you know how to rename your PC in Windows using 3 different methods. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.